Hello, I'm happy you're here. Welcome to Your Mystical Life. The reason I'm making this video is because the law of attraction changed my life, and I want that for everyone. I want everyone to feel their best self. I want everyone to be able to reach their goals, achieve their dreams, and I want you to live your best life. The law of attraction is a term that's been tossed around a lot, especially after the book The Secret was published in 2006. But what does it mean? How do you utilize it to create the reality you desire? Have you ever walked into a room of people and just felt this heavy feeling? Like you couldn't explain it, but it just was a bad energy. On the flip side, have you ever walked into a room of people and you just lit up? The positivity you could feel. It was almost tangible. That's energy we as humans pick up on. The law of attraction is based on the fact that our thoughts are forms of energy. We use the power and energy of our mind to manifest things into reality. In other words, the law of attraction uses the power of thoughts to translate whatever we're focusing on and materializes them into real life. When you focus on something you desire, you can resonate with that frequency, which in turn will attract it to you. Positive thoughts bring positive results into your life, while negative thoughts bring negative results. Think about it. Everything in the world around you began with a single thought. All thoughts turn into things. The road you drive on, that was once a thought that was then mapped out and became reality in the tangible world. The home you live in, it was once a thought inside the mind of an architect. It was then blueprinted, and now you're living in it. There's a quote that I really like. What we focus on, we enhance and empower. Everything and everyone in your life you attract with your dominant thoughts. And this isn't just a woo-woo theory, it's science. It's quantum physics, quantum mechanics. I know it may sound intimidating, but it's really quite simple. As I said before, the law of attraction is based on the fact that thoughts are a form of measurable energy. Quantum physics proves that everything emits energy. Almost like wind. Picture you're driving down the street, an open road, in a convertible, and your hair is blowing back. We can't see the wind, but we can see the effects it has on the things in the world in front of us. Quantum mechanics also tells us how electromagnetic waves work. This is a Hertz vibration scale. You can see the energy that is aligned with emotions we emit. The positive feelings of enlightenment, peace, joy, and love resonate at the top with a high frequency. The negative feelings of fear, guilt, and shame resonate at the bottom with low energy. Nikola Tesla even once said, "If you want to find the secret of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." It's not woo-woo, it's science. It's the law of attraction. Think of it like gravity, an unchanging law of the universe. If I drop an egg off my roof, it's going to hit the ground and crack open. If you heighten your vibration to align with positive frequencies, you will attract positive things into your life. So how do you do that? How do you heighten your vibration to match the frequencies of what you desire? How do you utilize the law of attraction to manifest anything and everything you want out of life? You can start by asking yourself, who do you surround yourself with? Are they positive people? Do they encourage you and applaud your successes and support you no matter what? Are they negative people? Are they constantly gossiping and talking down on others and complaining about how broke they are and how nothing goes their way? Remember, you are the people you surround yourself with. Don't let your friends lower your vibration. Nothing good can come of it. Another thing you want to do is stop saying, I want. I want to be rich. I want to be successful. Start living in the mindset of being. I am rich. I am successful. You'll align yourself with that energy and everything will come to you. In the comment section down below, leave a comment with a statement you resonate with. A statement the law of attraction will put into play for you. Comment now. I am rich. I am successful. I am living my life to the fullest. I am genuinely happy in life. Affirmations like this help. I have a playlist of affirmations you can repeat to help attract what you want. And the good thing is they're right here on YouTube, so they're totally free. I'll leave that linked in the video description below. Also, the feeling of gratitude is one of the most important parts that lead to the success and positive changes in your life, especially in utilizing the law of attraction. When you feel grateful for what you have, you will attract what you want. Take the time to thank the universe for bringing you everything you have in this moment right now. Just take a second and think about all of the things you're grateful for. Sit in this feeling that you have enough. That feeling of abundance. Everything you need you have. Anything you could ever want, the universe is already sending your way. The law of attraction isn't some myth. It's reality. It's the world around you. It's where you are in life right now. It's really that simple. Your thoughts and your words are powerful, so choose them wisely. Utilize the law of attraction to craft the life you've always wanted to live. The possibilities are endless. And if you still think it's just a whole bunch of woo-woo, at least give it a try. What's the worst that can happen? Thank you for joining me today. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and send this to someone who needs to hear it.